How can the world see me in a way that's interesting or valuable? Like any kid, I was just very self-conscious.
I'm never gonna be on Broadway. This isn't gonna happen. Everything's messed up.
I want to get back into just performing. It's been a while since I really did anything.
It's not so much because other people are telling you you can't do it, it's because you're telling you you can't do it. That's the biggest misconception.
Go like this, go like this. Make them look at you. Then your next line.
Did you ever go out with an amputee?
You're very exposed, and that can be a very good thing.
That you can roam the streets and be dead and freak people out, and that's what I like doing.
I mean, it's not like I've never used my leg to get out of things before. It's a comedy, yeah. It's supposed to be funny. Sometimes I get worried that I feel like maybe I won't be able to make it work because of my physical difference.
But I still think that everything happens for a reason, and you just have to have faith and trust that you will find your way.
You've taken great hysterical pleasure in the misfortunes of your life.
I'm used to it, and I can smile.
I want you to do everything.
As long as you don't, the Broadway dream might go away.
That's not gonna go away.
No, I want to do film.
I'm starting from here now.